Frame by frame might not be suitable for every situation. So frame by frame animation is very liberating because you have the effortless power of drawing things into existence. But frame by frame animation, like all styles of animation, has its strengths and weaknesses. There are some things which frame by frame is not perfectly suited for. Let's take a sunset as an example. The slow moving sun would be a nightmare to draw consistently, frame after frame. Its movement pattern is extremely slow and smooth. Even if you are very careful using the freehand approach, it would lead to bumps or inconsistencies, which would break the illusion that it is a sun. The solution is to motion tween it, I would say. Motion tweening is where you set the start and end of an object's motion path and the software automatically fills in the gaps, instead of you having to redraw it or move it by hand for every frame. Motion tweening is more common in motion graphics, but we can use it at times like this if it helps us. I would never have been able to hand move that sun as consistently as the way the computer can move it. So it's a definite job for computer assisted tweening. In this case, I would use tweening instead of hand drawing it. There are times in 2D traditional frame by frame animation process when it makes sense to use methods which are found in other mediums. There are no rules, remember. When it suits us, we can borrow from any other type of animation. For example, we could use tweens for slow, smooth movements and camera movement, such as in motion graphics. We could draw our thumbnail sketches on paper before using the computer interface, so this might count as traditional. We could integrate some 3D objects, which would be hard to draw by hand, and this would include 3D. We are not confined by our type of animation unless we choose to be. But for simplicity, this course will be focusing specifically on 2D tradigital frame by frame animation.